जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहार गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। जय जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। Please chant loudly. जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवर धारी। यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। फर्स्ट यशोदानंदन ब्रज जनरंजन जमुना तीरवन चारी। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे राधे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे राधा कुंड हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे राम राम हरे 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 राम हरे जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड जय राधा कुंड जय श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड जय श्याम जय गिरि गोवर्धन जय गिरि गोवर्धन गिरि गोवर्धन जय गिरि गोवर्धन जय गिरिराज महाराज जय गिरिराज महाराज गिरिराज महाराज जय गिरिराज महाराज तू एक बार आजा गिरिराज की शरण में तू एक बार आजा तू एक बार आजा गिरिराज की शरण में देवी वृंदा देवी जय वृंदा देवी जय अष्ट सखी गण जय अष्ट सखी गण अष्ट सखी गण जय अष्ट सखी गण जय 64 मंजरी जय 64 मंजरी 64 मंजरी जय 64 मंजरी जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय गौर भक्त वृंद गौर भक्त वृंद जय गौर भक्त वृंद जय षड गोस्वामी जय षड गोस्वामी षड गोस्वामी जय षड गोस्वामी जय रूप रघुनाथ जय रूप रघुनाथ जय रूप रघुनाथ जय कृष्ण दास जय कविराज कृष्ण दास जय कविराज जय श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम जय श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम जय श्रीनिवास नरोत्तम जय विश्वनाथ जय चक्रवर्ती विश्वनाथ जय चक्रवर्ती जय जगन्नाथ दास जय जगन्नाथ दास जगन्नाथ दास जय जगन्नाथ दास जय सच्चिदानंद श्रीला भक्ति विनोद सच्चिदानंद श्रीला भक्ति विनोद जय कमल मंजरी ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद कमल मंजरी ठाकुर भक्ति विनोद जय गौर किशोर गौर किशोर गौर किशोर जय गौर किशोर सिद्धांत श्रीला प्रभुपाद भक्ति सिद्धांत श्रीला प्रभुपाद जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी प्रभुपाद 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 जय 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 गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव 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 संकीर्तन। हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल। चिरताय गौर हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। श्री राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड धाम की जय। श्री षड गोस्वामी की जय। रूप रघुनाथ की जय। वृंदा देवी की जय। तुलसी महारानी की जय। श्री राधा कुंडेर समस्त लीला स्थलियों की जय। श्री कुंडवासी भक्तों वृंद की जय। श्री गुरु परंपरा की जय। श्री अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की जय। All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to Shri Guru and Gaurang. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नाम चिंतामणि कृष्ण चैतन्य रस विग्रह पूर्ण शुद्धो नित्य मुक्तो अभिन्नत्वाम नाम नामिनो। जयति जयति नामानंद रूपम मुरारीर्विरमिच निज धर्म ध्यान पूजादि यत्नम कथम अपि सकृत मुक्तिदं प्राणिनां यत् परमं अमृतम् एकं जीवनं भूषणं नयनं गलदश्रुधार वदनं गद्गदरुद्धया गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपु कदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति। Chaitanya Bhagavat Adi Leela is a beautiful verse by Haridas Thakur. He is telling to those who are trying to stop him from chanting the holy names. Haridas is saying, Khand khand deho hoye deho jodi jaye pran তবু আমি বদনে না ছাড়িব হরি নাম। You can cut my body into millions of pieces and you can even separate my soul from my body, but still I will not give up chanting the holy name of Krishna. This is the determination of Haridas Thakur. Prabodhananda Saraswati writes that you can cut my body into millions of pieces and put them in a basket and try to take them outside of Vrindavan Dham, outside of Navdeep Dham. They will jump back. All the pieces will come back into the Dham. I will not leave the Dham. Dham Vas and Naam Grahana. These are the only two things important. Aprakrit Dham Gaur Hari Naam Keval Sadhur Ash. A real sadhu only desires two things: how to chant the name of Krishna purely, how to realize all the attributes of Krishna in His holy name, and doing so by residing in the Dham, in the Aprakrit Dham, transcendental Chinmay Dham. Wherever you sit in Radha Kund, you are sitting in the Kunjas of the Ashtasakhis. Wherever you sit. One day, by chanting the Naam, you will develop those eyes. When you open your eyes, you will see the Kunjas, the beauty of the Kunjas. That day, our life will be successful. That day, we will not come to the Dham with a return ticket. Once we open our eyes and we see the transcendental nature, the Kunjas of the Ashtasakhi Radha Kund, I feel so much at home here. I don't want to leave till the end of my life. Sometimes you can smell the fragrances of the Kunja. Sometimes you can hear the divine sounds, the trees, the birds. So all this will come automatically by chanting the name of Krishna. Ataha Shri Krishna Namadi na bhaved grahayam indriye sevom ki ijbhado swayameva suratyadaha. When the name will start manifesting in your heart, you will become mad. Become mad with Krishna Prem. Bhaktivinoda Thakur writes that. Kori eto upodravo chitte varse shudhadravo. Ango kape thoro thoro. Chitte varse sudhadrava. Oh Krishna's name, how much power you have. I was very innocent. I innocently let you enter into my ears. But after you have gone in my heart, you have started sprinkling a shower of nectar and you are playing mischief in my heart. I cannot even control my body. My body is trembling. I'm sweating. All my pores are standing on my end. Oh Krishna Naam, you are very mischievous. Kari eto upadrava chitte varse sudha adrava. Ishato vikasi puno dekhai nij rupo guno chitto haroi laye Krishna pa. Oh Krishna Naam, you are forcibly dragging me to Krishna. You are revealing everything in my heart. You are my Prabhu, you are my Master. Chitto Hari, Krishna pass. I feel very close to Krishna. निजो सिद्ध देह दिया कृष्णो पासे राखे गिया এই দেহের করে সর্বনাশ. All material designations are over. Who says Krishna Naam cannot give us our Siddha Deha? Who says? Bhaktivinoda Thakur says Krishna Naam can give us everything. Mora Siddha Deho diya Krishna paas rakhe. The name of Krishna will bring you right at the lotus feet of Krishna. Right there. And it will give you your spiritual form. It will give you your seva, your own kunja, everything. Krishna Naam will give you. Simply have to have faith. Those who jump here and there and they don't understand that Krishna Naam can give me everything. Krishna Naam will not give them everything. According to our faith, Krishna Naam will reveal itself. So Haridas Thakur says, you can cut my body into millions of pieces. Still every piece will chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's why even after his disappearance, Gauranga Mahaprabhu took his body in his hands and he was dancing in Siddha Bakul for 9 hours. He has never done this dancing with any other body. Normally God never touches a dead body in any incarnation because it is not considered pure. But Haridas Thakur's body is purely transcendental. Even after Haridas Thakur disappearance, every pore of his body is chanting the Maha Mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So even the Supreme Lord, the Rasaraj Mahabhav, he is feeling himself fortunate by touching the body of Haridas Thakur, Nama Acharya.
Haridas Thakur ki jai. Hari Bol.
Swarup Damodar had to come and tell Mahaprabhu, bas karo. Now we have to give him samadhi. Stop your dancing. Otherwise the Lord had gone in a trance with the body of Haridas Thakur. And then he took his body and he was washing his body with the ocean, with his own hands. And when he was washing this body, Gauranga said, today this ocean has become a Mahatirtha. Imagine the ocean already has Ganga, Jamuna and all the rivers coming from the Himalayas are already going into that ocean. It is the most purest ocean in the universe. Even Lord Jagannath was born in that ocean. But still, it was a tirtha. But when Haridas Thakur's body was washed, it became a Mahatirtha. Like Krishna's prasadam is known as Mahaprasadam and Vaishnava's prasadam is known as Mahaprasadam. So Mahaprabhu announced to the world, this ocean has become a Mahatirtha. Even the whole ocean started chanting. By touching the body of Haridas, getting the good fortune. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haridas, even now, those who take bath in the ocean will get Nam Ruchi. Those who take bath in the ocean of Jagannath Puri, they will get Nam Ruchi, taste for the name, because it is the Maha Charanamrit of Haridas Thakur. Even more than Krishna, his pure devotees, they make the holy place even more pure than the Supreme Personality of Godhead. This is the Tattva. Tirtha kurvanti tirthani swandastena gadabrita. Tomar hridaye sada Govinda Vishram. Govinda Vishram. Tomar hridaye sada Govinda Vishram. गोविंद कोहे नमो वैष्णव पराण गोविंद कोहे नमो रा वैष्णव तुम्हार हृदय सदा गोविंद विश्राम गंगार परश होइले पश्चाते पावन गंगार परश होइले पश्चाते पावन दर्शने पवित्र करो ए तोमार गुण दर्शने पवित्र करो ए तोमार गुण जय नामाचार्य जय हरिदास ठाकुर नामाचार्य जय हरिदास ठाकुर कृष्ण कृष्ण स्मरणे कृष्ण कृष्ण स्मरण करे न हरिदास नामानंद देह दुख न होए प्रकाश नामानंद देह दुख न होए प्रकाश. Even they were whipping Haridas Thakur in 22 marketplaces. But Haridas Thakur was saying Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. He was remembering Krishna in his heart. You know, Krishna was present in his heart by the intensity of his remembrance. His body was full with Namanand, the happiness of Nam. So he did not feel any suffering. He was not feeling any suffering. Like Prahlad. Prahlad, his bhajan was due to smaran, remembrance. And the highest remembrance is the Nam. Nam is the highest remembrance. Kirtana prabhave smarana sambhava. Those who don't do kirtan can never remember Krishna. Never. They can do Nirjan Bhajan, they can go to the Himalayas, they can sit in the fire, they can go in the cold ice water. But those who don't do Nama Sankirtan, they can never remember Krishna. Because Haridas was doing continuous smaran of Krishna by chanting the name Krishna in Gauranga, in the form of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He thought it is my duty to protect Haridas. So Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu took his Sudarshan Chakra and he said, I will kill all these people who are beating Haridas. I will kill them. But Haridas was praying for them. Haridas was praying for them. Haridas was saying, my dear Lord, please don't punish them. Please. They don't know what they are doing. They don't know. Don't punish them. That is the symptom of a Mahabhagavat. A Mahabhagavat will forgive even before you commit an offense. Before you commit an offense, the Mahabhagavat will forgive. And he's praying for them. If somebody beats us, we get that revenge mood. We feel like taking revenge, from them. But Haridas, by the power of the name, he is so much ecstatic. He wants to pray for. And the prayer of the pure devotee, Krishna has to accept that. So Lord Mahaprabhu kept the Sudarshan Chakra in the side. Gauranga said, now what should I do? Haridas is praying, I should do something. So Mahaprabhu said, there is only one thing left for me. Whatever whipping is coming on Haridas, I will take it on my own body. Yesham satata yuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam yogakshemam vahamyam. I will do. He covered Haridas Thakur's body with his golden complexion. And all the whipping was taken by Mahaprabhu. Haridas was not feeling anything because of his Namananda and because it was not touching him also. In the Mahaprakash Leela, Mahaprabhu called Haridas and said, come Haridas, come, I will show you. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu lifted his cloth and he said, see Haridas, these are the whipping marks which I have taken on my body. Do you remember? Haridas said, ha Gauranga, ha Gauranga. He fell down on the ground in front of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. He says, my dear Lord, why do you do this for me? Asprishya adrishyami papi mahani. I am the most abominable person. Nobody should even look at me. Nobody should touch me. That is why I did bhajan in Siddha Bakul, because nobody was coming there. It was very solitary place. Why did you do this for me, my dear Lord? You are very merciful. The more one advances in the chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, the more offenseless one chanting becomes, the more humble one becomes. More humility one develops. One feels himself very, very, very fallen. That is, some devotees ask me how to identify a Mahabhagavat, how to identify a Madhyamadhikari, how to identify a Kanishtadhikari. It's very simple. Just see how humble they are. If you have tasted one drop of the nectar of Krishna Nam, then you will understand that you know nothing. This Krishna Nam is unlimited ocean. But those who don't taste, then they become proud. Oh, I know everything. I am the brick preacher. So one had develop this, cultivate this attachment for Krishna Nam and become humble. Dainyo doya onneman pratishtha barjan chari gune guni koroha kirtan. The moment you become humble, you will cry while chanting Krishna Nam. And crying is the goal of chanting Krishna Nam. Nayanam galad ashru dharaya vadonam ghat ghat ruddhaya gira. Golod means not only drop of tears stream should come. Golod, I mean, it should forcibly. Tears would come like streams, like the Ganga, while chanting Krishna Nam. But that will only come if you have genuine humility in your heart. Trinadapi suni chena taroriva sahishnuna amanina man kirtani sada. Even in your mind, you should give respect to all the Vaishnavas. What to speak of the Vaishnavas, you should give respect to all living entities. Consider everybody is superior to us. Raghunath Bhatta Goswami never used to listen to anybody's faults. He would say, they are better than me. Everybody. That is Haridas Thakur's mood. When he used to come to Jagannath Puri, Haridas Thakur never used to even enter Gambhira. After coming from so far from Bengal, all devotees would rush inside Gambhira to meet Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Haridas Thakur was crying and he used to offer Dandavat on the road outside of Gambhira. And he would cry, he would wash the ground. He would say, hey Gauranga, I am not qualified. And when all devotees used to go inside, Mahaprabhu used to say, where is my Haridas? Where is my Haridas? I want to see him. Because he is very humble. Gauranga Mahaprabhu would run. He would come outside Gambhira. Say, Haridas, Uta Haridas. तुम्हार नम्रता, तुम्हार दैन्य भाव द्रवे मोर मन, तुम्हारो दैन्य भाव देखी फाटे मोर मन. Oh Haridas, my heart is breaking. Don't exhibit so much humility. Don't. I cannot tolerate this, your humility. Please get up. And Gauranga Mahaprabhu used to embrace Haridas Thakur. This is the quality of somebody who is constantly chanting the holy name. If you are chanting 1 lakh names every day, but if you are not becoming humble, then your chanting of 1 lakh, there is some problem. There is some. In Harinam Chintamani it is said, Mone jope shei jon lakho naam kori loy, kintu naam rasero eko bindu ek kona nahi paay. One may be chanting 1 lakh, but still one may be not tasting a drop of the holy name, 1 bindu, 1 drop, if one is not humble. When Jiva Goswami asked Nityanand Prabhu in Navadvip Dham Mahatmya, Oh Nityanand Prabhu, how can I stay in the Dham? You are sending me to Vraj Dham. What is the qualification to stay in Vraj Bhumi? Nityanand Prabhu said the only qualification is Sambandha Gyan. And this Sambandha will come by Trinadapi Suniche Taroriva Sahishnu Amaninaman Kirtanim Sada. The more humble you become, the more you will enter the Dham, the more you will see the Chinmay Dham, you will penetrate the layer of Maya which is covering the Dham. Dhamero upare Maya pati jal.
Maya pati jal.
Maya is covering the Dham with a thin layer of Maya. And if you want to penetrate that layer and actually reside in the Dham, you should become very humble. You should not commit any offense against the Dhamvasis. Don't even hear what others are doing, others' mistakes. Just take full shelter of the Dham and the Naam and the Vaishnavas. So, Haridas ठाकुरेर এই দৃঢ় বাক্য শ্রী প্রহ্লাদ মহারাজকে বধ করবার জন্য অসুরগণ অনেক চেষ্টা করিবে, যেমনে প্রকৃত কার্য হইয়াছিলেন ঠিক সেই রূপ যবনগত হরিদাস ঠাকুরের মারণারও অনেক চেষ্টা করিবে. Like they tried to kill Prahlad, but because of Prahlad's remembrance, Krishna was protecting him. That's how Haridas would not die. In fact, those people who were whipping him, they became very tired. They said normally a person will die in 1 or 2 marketplaces, but Haridas Thakur is not even flinching in 22 marketplaces. They came with folded hands to Haridas, said, "Oh Haridas, either you die or you kill us. Because if you don't die, then Kazi will kill us. So please have mercy on us. Do something." হরিদাস ঠাকুর নামানন্দে ডুবে আছেন, অতঃপরে যমনেরও বুঝতে পারল শ্রী হরিদাস সাধারণ ব্যক্তি নাই, তখন অনুনয় করে বলতে লাগে. They understood that Haridas is not an ordinary person. His body is transcendental. By chanting the name, Prabhupada used to give example of when you put an iron rod in fire, it also becomes fire. It become like fire. If you touch the rod, you will get burned. Finished. Similarly, when you chant the name of Krishna, your material body is gradually being replaced by your spiritual body. Ei dehera kore sarvanam. That is the power of Krishna Naam. And Haridas Thakur's body is completely transcendental. Nammartya buddhayusved sarvadeva mayo guru. If one becomes envious of Haridas Thakur, one will become envious of Krishna. If one offends Haridas Thakur, one will offend Krishna. Because a pure devotee, his body is transcendental. It is the playground of Radha and Krishna's pastimes. আমাকে কেউ কিছু করিতে পারে না, আমার বুঝিতে পেয়েছি তুমি যথার্থ সাধু পুরুষ, কিন্তু মুলুকপতি একতা বুঝিবার না, এই আমাদেরও প্রাণ নাশ করিবে. Please Haridas, if we don't kill you, then we will die. Please do something for us, Haridas. হরিদাস ঠাকুর যবনগণের কথা শুনে তখনই ধ্যানস্থ ছিলেন, তখন যবনগণ হরিদাসের কাঁধে দিয়ে মুলুকপতির কাছে. When Haridas Thakur heard these prayers of these executioners, Haridas Thakur immediately became internalized and he entered into samadhi. Anyway, he was always in pure Krishna consciousness. For him to enter samadhi is very easy. He can enter in any moment. He can enter any moment in samadhi. So Haridas Thakur entered into samadhi and Krishna came in his body. His body became very heavy. He fell down on the ground as if he is dead. He had no breathing also. He went into a trance. See how much merciful he is. In order to save the life of those who are going to kill him, he himself went into samadhi. Paradukha dukhi ei Vaishnav achar.
এই বৈষ্ণবের আচার পরদুঃখী দুঃখী পরসুখে সুখী, এই বৈষ্ণবের
যেই জন কাটিলে আসিবে तारो आपनारो देहो दिबे. One who comes to cut the tree gives its own body. Take my body. Oh, you have come to cut me. So Haridas like that. He gave you everything. He gave. That is a Vaishnava. When the demigods approached Dadichi Muni for the bones, Dadiji said, take it. Take my bones. I am not attached. So Vaishnava is always very very compassionate. So Haridas Thakur went into Samadhi, and these people, they took Haridas, lifted him. Many men had to lift him. He was very heavy. They took him before the Qazi, and Mulukpati mone korilen Haridas more gechen. Tai tini Haridas ke gangae fele dite boliben. He said, the Qazi said, you don't give a proper burial. You throw him in the Ganga because he is not fit for a proper burial. Throw him in the Ganga. Haridas Thakur भासेते पुनः फुलिया घाटे आईबेन एवं उठे उच्च स्वरे हरि नाम कहते लागिले. कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम
They put his body in the Ganga, and his body was floating, and he reached again Fulia Ghat. And in Fulia Ghat, again he got up from his Samadhi and he walked out of the water, and he was loudly chanting the holy names as if he has, seen Krishna face to face. And I am saying loudly, he is chanting silently. Uchcha sware. So, he started chanting loudly Haridas, and he came to deliver. Anyone who heard, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur writes in his purport in Chaitanya Bhagavat, any jeev who heard the holy name from Haridas Thakur's mouth, that jeev attained the Shuddha Naam, a pure name. That is why when Haridas was doing Nirjan Bhajan, actually he was not doing Nirjan Bhajan. There were a lot of devotees, they were waiting and hearing his chanting. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. That is why one should always chant audibly. If you chant audibly, then not only we are delivering ourselves, but we are delivering those who can hear our chanting. Even the insects in our house are purified when they hear the chanting. Everyone is purified by loud chanting of the holy names. So Haridas Thakur had an argument with one devotee. It's not an argument, but he quoted this verse. Japato harinamani sthane shataguna. Chanting loudly is 100 times more powerful than mental chanting. Then you may ask the question in Hari Bhakti Vilas, why it is said that mental chanting is more powerful than loud chanting? A question may be raised. In Hari Bhakti Vilas, it is said that mental chanting is equal to dhyan. Dhyan samohisa. If you do Mansik Japa, it is like meditation. It's like meditation on Krishna. Mansik Japa. So why Mansik Japa? Is Mansik Japa more powerful or loud chanting? This is contradictory. Some person may ask this question. Why it is contradictory? It is not contradictory. Haridas Thakur, in Hari Bhakti Vilas, it is talking about Japa, whereas Haridas Thakur is talking about Kirtan. Kirtan, loud kirtan is 100 times more powerful than even japa,
Hare Krishna.
even mental japa. The goal of japa is to relish the kirtan, and when you relish the kirtan, it will nourish your japa. That is why very few devotees know this, but I want to write a book about it, or a small booklet. But in Harinam Chintaman it is said that the Sankirtan, the Kirtan every day should also be done in a Sankhya, in a proper proportion. Every day you should sing the name at least 108 times or 216 times or multiples of 108. At least 432 times. That is known as one Granthi. 4 rounds is known as one Granthi. So every day you should do Kirtan for 432 mantras at least. One Granthi in Kirtan. Try to sing one Granthi in Kirtan. Kirtan is very, very important. Mahaprabhu's Leela in full Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Charitamrit, the references of Gauranga doing japa are only very few. Are mentioned when Haridas Thakur, Advaita Acharya came and did Aarti of Mahaprabhu, he was doing japa. Then Mahaprabhu was doing japa in front of Tulsi Maharani, he was walking and doing japa. But you will find so many examples of Sankirtan. So Sankirtan is the life of our japa. Sankirtan is the life of our bhajan. Sankirtan is the life of our shravana. And Sankirtan is the life of our bhakti. When I become old after 50 years, 60 years, I just want to sit in this hall and do whole day and night kirtan and prepare for my death. By doing Nama Sankirtan. That is the best way. That time when we waste between Nama Sankirtan, morning and evening we do Nama Sankirtan, but we waste the time in the middle, I feel very sad. We are wasting the time not giving it to Nama Sankirtan. And Nama Sankirtan, more devotees are there, the better. In japa you have to chant alone. According to Harinam Chintamani, you have to do japa alone. Nirjone bosiya Namero sambandh hoibe Shama sundarera rupa dhyan koribe. In japa, if we sit alone and meditate on the form of Sham Sundar. But in Kirtan, we can as many devotees, because if Krishna will not hear my prayer, then Krishna will hear your prayer. In the Sankirtan, some devotee's prayer will be heard by Krishna. So Bhakti Vinod Thakur says in Nama Sankirtan, if you want to make your Nam Sankirtan successful as an offering to Radha and Krishna, then in your Nam Sankirtan there should be at least one pure devotee. Very big secret. He says in the Bhakti Vinod Vani Vaibhav, you should read that book. Very, very nice book. So, if in your Sankirtan Mandal there is one pure devotee, then whatever Kirtan we are doing, it gets offered to Krishna. Because Krishna is listening in his heart. In the heart of the pure devotee, Krishna is there. He is hearing. Like Tulsi. If we don't find a pure devotee, we keep Tulsi Maharani. It's very easy. Tulsi leaves are Vrinda's ears and Vrinda's eyes. Everything Tulsi leaves. She is hearing. So many years. Tulsi Maharani. So, we should engage with great determination in Nama Sankirtan. Then all success will come very quickly. So Haridas Thakur, Tomake Kichu Kahite Parena, Haridas Thakur again got up. Haridas Mahima Deke Mulukapati Javanero Mone Bhoye Hoye. Haridas Thakur Bhasite Puno. And after coming out from the river, Haridas Thakur started walking directly to the Qazi. He was not afraid. One was trying to kill him. He is going to meet him again. Fearless. The name of Krishna can make us fearless. If we have the faith in the name. And Haridas, seeing the glories of Haridas, the Qazi became very afraid. Wherever there is pure Naam, pure Sankirtan, then anti-social elements become very afraid. They become very afraid. Prabhupada used to say, where there is opposition, means you are chanting the pure Naam. If there is no opposition, then your name is all Dila. I mean, there is no bhav. If there is opposition, then your sound vibration will create fear in the hearts of the atheists. They will fear. So, became very afraid. Javanero sange jini tothae eilen evam taro aparadero jonyo Haridas Thakurera kache shama pratna karite lagilen. All the Qazi and all those his friends, they all came and to Haridas Thakur and offered forgiveness at his lotus feet. And they started telling him, Pir Gyan Kori Sobe Koil Namaskar Sokolo Javono Gon Paile Nistar. When they offered their obeisances and forgiveness to the lotus feet of Haridas, Haridas glanced mercifully on them. And when Haridas glanced on them, they became delivered. When we get the glance of the pure devotee, then we get the glance of Radharani. We get the glance of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Asambhasya tadbhav Gambhira Chittan Kuta Sama Sindhu Rasayavagam. Until you get the glance of a devotee who is meditating on Radharani, you cannot see Shyamsundar in your heart. We are very, very unfortunate that we were not alive when Haridas Thakur was there. If we were there when Haridas Thakur was there, then we did not have to do any sadhan, any bhajan, like Kripa Siddhi. We just go in front of Haridas and catch his lotus feet, and we would get Prema Bhakti. We would be in Goloka by now. But we are not born at that time. We should feel great lamentation for this. Pashane kotibo matha anale pashibo. Pashane kotibo matha anale pashibo. Gauranga gunera nidhi. Kotha gele pavo Gauranga Gauranga gunera nidhi kotha gele pavo. When Srinivasacharya Thakur, who is Mani Manjari, he came to Jagannath Puri and he came to the bank of the ocean. He came to Haridas Samadhi. He was crying. He fell down on the ground. He started rolling on the ground in front of Haridas Samadhi. He said, Oh Haridas, why am I born after you? I want to see your lotus feet. Oh Haridas, without seeing your lotus feet, my life is waste. Why was I born? If we don't see the lotus feet of Haridas Thakur, then how can we chant the pure name? Oh Haridas, give me your darshan. Oh Haridas. He was lamenting, he was crying, he was getting up and falling down. like a danda again and again. Tears were flowing continuous from his eyes. Haridas Thakur, who is Dayamay, merciful, he came out of his samadhi. He came out of his samadhi, and Haridas Thakur embraced Srinivas Acharya. Oh Srinivas, I am here. When we go to the samadhi, we don't even have one drop of tear in our eyes. Our heart is so hard and we don't feel anything. Oh, just I have come. What a misfortune we have. Nam namakari bahudani sarvash tatra arpita niyam smarane nakal itadrishi tav kripa bhagavan durdaiva mitrisham hajani nanuraga. What a durdaiva, misfortune. Ill-fated, not developed even a drop of love for the holy name of Krishna and for the associates of Krishna. So if we cry like this to Haridas, then Haridas Thakur will help us. In the Harinam Chintamani it is said that if you are afflicted by lust, if you are wanting to do some sinful activity, if your mind is going outside your control, you loudly shout the name of Haridas. Haridas! 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 Immediately you will feel purified. The lust will go away. Because Bhakti Vinod Thakur says that Haridas Thakur is like a transcendental policeman. When you are walking on the main road, highway, and the thieves and robbers try to steal from you, will you call the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh or will you call the police? Whom will you call? The Chief Minister will not come at that time. You have to call the police. So Harinam Chintamani says that the pure devotees of Krishna are protecting us, are guarding us. The Acharyas, they are our police. When we are in very much problem, we should cry their names. Je deshe vaise Gaurangero Gaur. Bahutuli ami mando tahar charon. Wherever Gauranga's pure devotees are there, I raise my hands and I worship. I call them, please protect me. Even if we call the name of one pure devotee, Prabhupada, Bhakti Vinod, Haridas, Rupa Raghunath, instantly they will come to protect us. I don't know whether you can feel it, but I can feel it, that they come instantly to help us. Because their heart is melting with compassion. The pure devotees are more merciful than Krishna. Their hearts are melting. So always read the pastimes of our Acharyas, of Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. This is the treasure of Kali Yuga. The treasure of Kali Yuga is Gauranga Leela. It is Gaura Bhakta Leela. Gaura Bhakta Leela is the treasure of Kali Yuga. Because in every Kali Yuga, Gaura Bhaktas will not come. Only in this Kali Yuga. In 2000 Kali Yugas, only once Gaura Bhaktas are coming. Read their Leelas. The first book I read was Gaura Bhakta Leela. And even now I am reading Gaura Bhakta Leela.
गौर भक्त लिंग की जय।
I remember the first time I cried. I became a devotee, but I was not getting any tears. My heart was very dry. I was not feeling. Then suddenly I was in the library and I found Bhakti Ratnakar. It's a beautiful book written by Narhari Chakravarti. Bhakti Ratnakar. I picked up that book, just the English translation. It has 11,000 verses in Bengali. And I finished that whole book in one night. And in the morning I was continuously crying. By the time I finished Bhakti Ratnakar, I was like continuously crying. I was like washing the book with my tears. Bhakti Ratnakar is such a beautiful book. It describes the confidential leelas of Gopal Bhatta Goswami, the confidential leelas of Srinivas Acharya, Narottam Das Thakur, the 8 Kavirajas, Govinda Kaviraj, Narottam Das Thakur, Ramchandra Kaviraj, Ganga Narayan Chakravarti. Such beautiful leelas. They delivered even more sinful people than Jagai and Madhai. It is there in Bhakti Ratnakar. Beautiful. So read the Gaura Bhakta Leelas and you will get Krishna Prem. Haridas Pandit, he was sitting in Vrindavan and every day he was reading Chaitanya Bhagavat. And all Vaishnavas were sitting around him and looking like to his moon-like face, and they were all hearing Chaitanya Bhagavat. And then all the Vaishnavas after the Katha requested Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, please write the Jagannath Puri Leela, because after hearing Chaitanya Bhagavat, now we want to hear the Puri Leela of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So Krishnadas Kaviraj went to Haridas Pandit to take his blessings. Haridas Pandit blessed him. Okay, you write. Madan Gopal also blessed him. The garland of Madan Gopal fell down and the pujari gave it in his neck, and then he was very Krishnadas Kaviraj was not feeling himself qualified to write, but by that order of Madan Gopal and Haridas Pandit and all the Vaishnavas, he wrote Chaitanya Charitamrita. So Haridas Thakur was accepted as a peer, as a pure devotee by all, even the antagonistic people. If you chant the holy name of Krishna continuously, then one day the whole world will have to accept you. Even those people who are against you will become favorable to you. That is the power of Krishna Naam. Kulyaro je kutir vaise Haridas Thakur, Haridas Harinam karen taro Bhitaro parte ek Vishadhar Sarp vas karibe Taro Vishoye Jalaye Bhaktogon Veshikshon Tathaye Beshikshon Vasate Parite Na. When Haridas Thakur was chanting in a cave in Fulia, in that cave a huge snake was residing in that cave. And because of the poisonous fumes of that snake, nobody could come and hear the name of Haridas. They could not have darshan of Haridas. But Haridas Thakur was immune to this poison because of his chanting the pure name. This poison of the snake could not affect Haridas Thakur. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Haridas Thakur Bhakta Ganer Dukha Dekhe Nag Ke Avahan Kore Bole Lete. Haridas saw how unhappy the people who have gathered. They are all leaving. They prayed to Haridas, oh Haridas, we want your Sangha. We want the Shuddha Naam. We want to hear that Naam. Please do something about it. Then Haridas Thakur started speaking to the snake. Haridas said, Satya jadi ihate thake no mahashay तेनो यदि काली ना छाड़े न এই আলয়ে তবে আমি কালি ছাড়ি যাই মু সর্বথা If all of you are right and if this snake is residing in this cave, then I tell this snake, if you don't leave by tomorrow, then I will leave this cave. He told the snake, if you don't leave by tomorrow, then I will leave this cave. And immediately when this Nagaraj, the snake heard this, Nagaraj Haridas Thakurero ei adesh shune তৎক্ষণাৎ পড়তে থেকে বের হয়ে থাকে নমস্কার করে অন্যত্র চলে গেলেন Immediately after hearing the pure devotee's words, the Nagaraj immediately came out and he offered his pranam to Haridas Thakur. The snake does not have any ears, but the snake had heard the pure Naam from Haridas Thakur. So he has already become a Vaishnava. And the snake did not want to give any trouble to Haridas Thakur. The snake said, no Haridas, you don't leave, I will leave. You are my Gurudev. I will leave. That the snake, he left the cave. ততো দর্শন ভক্তগণে অত্যন্ত বিস্মিত হইলেন হরিদাস ঠাকুরের এই সমস্ত মহিমা দেখে ভক্ত ব্রাহ্মণের তার প্রতি প্রগাঢ় ভক্তি জন্মিল Seeing that the snake is also worshipping Haridas Thakur, all the devotees, all the people in Fulia, even the Brahmanas, the scholarly Brahmanas, they developed great faith and great attachment to Haridas Thakur. When you become attached to a pure Vaishnava, then the doors of your liberation, they become open. What is that verse? मोक्षद्वारम पावृतः Kapil Dev tells his mother Devhuti, Prasangam ajaram pasham puman kavayo vidu ta eva sadhu sukrito mokshadvaram pavritah. Oh my mother, you don't have to give up the attachment, but you take your attachment up away from material objects and put all your attachment to a sadhu, to a pure devotee of Krishna. If you put all your attachment to a pure devotee, then immediately you will become liberated. So we have to channelize our attachment. The more we are attached to Guru and the Vaishnavas, the more quickly we become purified. The greatest, the perfection of all attachment is to be attached to the Vaishnavas. That is why the greatest sorrow is to lose the association of the Vaishnavas. It's very, very painful when you lose the association of Vaishnavas. Very painful. It is worse than death. That's why Narottam Das Thakur left this world after Ramchandra Kaviraj left this world. His body became milk in the Ganga. Narottam Das Thakur's body became milk because of Ramchandra Kaviraj. Ramchandra Kaviraj was his constant companion. Both of them were Manjaris. One was Champak Manjari and one was Karna Manjari. So both of them wanted their association constantly, each other's association. So let us remain in Vaishnava Sangha. Even in Radha Kund, it is the highest place, but we need association. We need to see the Dham from the eyes of the pure devotees, the gurus and the sadhus are like our spectacles. Our eyesight is very blur because of our conditioning. We cannot see clearly. The gurus and the sadhus are our spectacles. When we associate with them, we see the Dham. I was feeling so sad that I don't have association in Radha Kund. So Yashoda Putra Das, yesterday he brought Jamuna Jeevan Das. We had a nice katha yesterday night. So if you seek association, then you will get association. You have to pray for association. Then automatically association will come. Tishtan vraje tadanuragi jananugami kalam naidakhilam tyubadesha saram. If you want to spend your time in Vraj Bhumi, kalam naid akhilam upade, then you have to get advanced association, following the footsteps of the Vraja Bhaktas, the Raganuga Bhaktas or the Ragatmika Bhaktas. If you associate with Raganuga Bhaktas, then you can follow the Ragatmika Bhaktas in your heart. So association with Raganuga Bhaktas is actually the essence of our bhajan. Raseka rasik, rasera rasika, charana parasha, rasera rasika, charana parasha, rasera rasika, charana parasha, rasera rasika, charana parasha. Koriya mochi purase anibar, koriya mochi purase anibar, koriya mochi purase anibar, koriya mochi purase anibar. When you touch the lotus feet of a Rasika like Haridas Thakur, pure devotee, then you become overwhelmed with rasa. You drown in rasa, anibar. So our goal of our life is to stay in Radha Kund and to associate with Nam Parayan Vaishnavas who are chanting the pure name and always meditate on the lotus feet of Haridas Thakur. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Anybody has any questions? Yes.
Which is better place to do bhajan? Where Nityananda took birth or in Mayapur?
If you are very, very fallen, then you have to go to Ekachakra Dham. Ekachakra is Nityananda Prabhu's birthplace. Very, very merciful. At least 1 or 2 years if you do bhajan in Ekachakra, you will become intoxicated. You will become mad. Then when you come out of Ekachakra, anybody who sees you will get Krishna Prem. So, even I have that desire. I wanted to take some land there, but somehow I ended up in Radha Kund. But very, very merciful. You have to understand Ekachakra from Nitai's devotees. It's also there. And Navadvip is very merciful because Navadvip also contains Nityananda Prabhu's lotus footprints. Ishodhyan, there is one place in Ishodhyan known as Nandanacharya Bhavan. That is a very merciful place in Mayapur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes in Navadvip Bhav Taranga that there is a beautiful golden temple there in the center of Ishodhyan. In the afternoon pastimes, just like there is a golden temple in Radha Kund in the center, Anang Manjari's Kunja, in the same way there is a golden temple in Ishodhyan, in Mayapur. It's a very merciful place. Whenever I go to Ishodhyan, I feel so ecstatic. Nityanand Prabhu was hiding there in Nandan Acharya's Bhavan. So you can do your bhajan in Ishodhyan also. And then Srivas Angan is the highest. Srivas Angan is the highest of all places in Navadvip. Because it is the Leela place, the Nitya Leela place of Gaur Sundar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur used to do Bhagavad Katha there in Srivas Angan. Very, you can feel. Whenever I do Pradakshina of Srivas Angan, I start crying. When I go behind Srivas Angan, it is so ecstatic.
During this Saturday, Haridas Thakur was an incarnation of Brahmaji and Prahlad Maharaj combined. But is it so that Haridas Thakur is also an eternal associate of Gauranga Mahaprabhu in Navadvip Dham, and when he comes here, then the soul of Brahma and Prahlad enters, or is it that the Brahma is only Nitya Siddh? Or they are two separate beings, or...
Haridas Thakur is one more personality. His name is Brahma Mahatpa. He is not only Haridas, he is Brahma, he is Haridas, he is Prahlad, he is also Brahma Mahatpa. Brahma Mahatpa was the son of Richik Muni. He offered a tulsi leaf. He offered bhoga to Krishna, but he did not wash that tulsi leaf. So Richik Muni cursed him, you get born in a low family. So he became Haridas Thakur. This is there in Gaur-Ganoddesh Deepika. So what happens is Haridas Thakur is a Nitya Siddha in the eternal Navadvip Dham. So when he comes here, multiple personalities can enter his body and they can relish the Leelas of the Lord. Actually, Prahlad is in a partial form in Haridas Thakur. Prahlad came in another form as Vasudev Datta. Vasudev Datta, he prayed to Gauranga in Puri. So, a little, that Smarana Bhakti, that remembrance of Haridas came, Prahlada's remembrance came into Haridas. So, there are some parts of the different acharyas, different previous devotees come into one body. In Gauranga's Leela, they all come into specific bodies to relish Gauranga's Leela. Like Ramananda Rai was a combination of 5 personalities. Ramananda Rai. He was a combination of, some say he was Lalita, some say he was Vishakha, and then he was a combination of Arjun, and then he was Arjun Gop. There is one Gop Sakha also in Braj known as Arjun. He also became Ramananda Rai. Then Arjunia Sakhi. There is one Gopi known as Arjunia Sakhi. She also entered into the body of Ramananda Rai. You can imagine there are so many personalities, multiple personalities.
So all 4 become one, or one Ramananda Rai is already there in Navadvip, and the 4 they enter.
Yeah, he is already there. They all join him.
They join. So Haridas Thakur is not a Muslim born in Navadvip, eternal Navadvip.
No, he
Only
is.
in Naimitic Leela.
Yes. In Navadvip anyway nobody takes birth. They are all there. They are all there eternally. Like whenever we will enter the Nitya Leela also, we will directly enter in our Swarup. We will not take birth like in Goloka we will not become from small to big. No, even Krishna is not a Laddu Gopal in Goloka. Krishna is always Kishore. So we will also directly go into Goloka in our eternal form as we are. So
The same question goes for Advaitacharya as well. Whether he is Mahavishnu Sadashiv there, or Advaitacharya is separate and Mahavishnu and Sadashiv they enter.
Advaita Acharya, first of all, he does not have a beard. I feel very sad when all the devotees put a beard on Advaita Acharya. I am writing an article now, I will publish it. Advaita Acharya is described to have a golden complexion, wearing a white dress in what is his name? Gaur Gobind Smaran Archan Paddhati by Dhyan Chandra Goswami. He's a Kishore, he's a beautiful Kishore of 16 years. All the Panchatattva are Kishore. They are not this beard and all these things. This is all. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati writes a commentary about it in Chaitanya. And even Prabhupada allowed these drawings to be made with the beard only for dramas. There were some dramas conducted, in Srivasangana. Advaita Acharya put a beard, but it was only for the drama. So Advaita Acharya, he's the Ragatmika, he's the Kaya Vyuha of Gauranga. So when he comes in this world, Mahavishnu and Sadashiv is Mool Sankarshan, Mahasankarshan, and Mahavishnu enter into him, and they also can enjoy the Leela participate in the Leela of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Mahavishnu wanted to see the Leela of Gauranga. That's why he came in Advaita Acharya's form. Any other questions? Thank you very much coming today. For the first time, Prabhuji has come and all three of you have come. First time, so we'll say Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Thank you very much for coming. Every day, morning it is from 8 to 10 and evening from 5 to 7. Now we will have Damodar Arti and then Gaur Arti short. Please come and give us your association whenever you are here in Radhakund.